Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, how are you? Recite dua in with me. Rabbi zidni ilma, O my Lord, increase my knowledge. Students, take out your computer books and open page number 19. Students, on page number 19, write down date and day. This is your homework. Bina's father wants to store data in his USB, but he cannot find it. Bina has spotted it at the other end of the garden. Can you help Bina reach the USB without stepping on the grass? Students, she is Bina and there is USB at the end of the garden. Now students, you have to help Bina to reach to the USB. Okay dear, so this is your homework. Come to page number 20. On page number 20, write down date and day. Question 2, write T for true statement and F for false one. A. The CPU controls all the parts of computer except for the input devices. Students, CPU जो है वो सारे parts को control करता है. Yes, it is true. Except for the input devices. कह रहे हैं सिवाय इनपुट डिवाइसेस के. इनपुट डिवाइसेस कौन कौन सी होती हैं? कीबोर्ड, माउस, दीज आर इनपुट डिवाइसेस. तो कह रहे हैं इनपुट डिवाइसेस के अलावा सारी चीज़ों को कंट्रोल करता है. तो ये तो गलत बात है. कीबोर्ड को भी कंट्रोल करता है और माउस को भी कंट्रोल सीपीयू करता है. सो इट इज फॉल्स. राइट एफ इन 1. बी. स्पीकर्स कैन बी यूज टू लिसन टू म्यूजिक विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग अदर्स. स्पीकर से हम म्यूजिक लिसन कर सकते हैं किसी को तंग किए बगैर, डिस्टर्ब किए बगैर. तो इट इज फॉल्स. राइट एफ हियर. आफ्टर इट सी. अ सीडी कैन स्टोर मोर डाटा दैन अ डीवीडी. कह रहे हैं सीडी जो है डीवीडी से ज़्यादा डाटा स्टोर करती है. नो, डीवीडी कैन स्टोर मोर डाटा देन सीडी. सो इट इज ऑल्सो फॉल्स. राइट एफ. डी. A USB can be easily carried in your pocket. Yes, it is true. हम USB को easily अपनी pockets में carry कर सकते हैं. So write T. After it, choose the correct options. A. Which one is true about the CPU? Its full form is Central Processing Unit. 2. It is the brain of a computer. 3. It controls all the other parts of the computer. 4. All of the above. Students, all options are true about the CPU because the CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is true. It is a brain of computer. ये भी बिल्कुल correct है. It controls all the other parts of computer. ये भी correct है. So we will circle on part 4. All the above parts means ये सारे parts true हैं. Okay. B. Which one is an input device? इनमें से कौन सी input device है? 1. Printer, speakers, microphones and headphones. Yes, microphones, क्योंकि microphone से हमारी जो वॉइस होती है, जो साउंड होती है, वो कंप्यूटर के अंदर जाती है. C. Which of the following is not used to store data? इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ें जो डाटा स्टोर करने के लिए यूज़ नहीं होती? CD, DVD, USB and UPS. UPS is not used for storing data. D. Which one is called a pointing device? Keyboard, mouse, printer and hard disk. Mouse is a pointing device, so circle it. Now students, come to page number 22. Friends, on page number 22, write down date and day. We are doing worksheet of chapter number 1 and 2. So question number 1 is search for 2 input and 2 output devices in the grid given below. This is a grid and keyboard and mouse is input device. Printer and headphones are output device and you have to search these devices in this grid. Question number 2. Who am I? Friends, there are some hints about some devices and you have to find the device name. Part A. I am used to store data and can easily be carried in a pocket. Students, वो कौन सी चीज़ें जो डाटा भी स्टोर करती है अपने अंदर और वो इतनी छोटी सी होती है कि वो इजीली अपने पॉकेट्स में हम कैरी कर सकते हैं? Excellent. It is USB. So write USB. Part B. I am used to take a print out. वो कौन सी डिवाइस है जिससे हम प्रिंट आउट लेते हैं? Printer. I am used to record sound. Microphones are used to record sound. I control all the other parts of a computer. Yes, CPU controls all the other parts of computer. I am an input device. I am also known as a pointing device. Input device bhi hai or pointing device bhi hai. It is mouse. Okay dear, so write these devices here. After it, question number 3, label the 4 parts of computer system. This is a computer system. A is monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. This is CPU. C, keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, board, keyboard. And this is mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Okay dear, now come to page number 23. On page number 23, write down date and day. Neha has drawn the figures of some devices and labeled them. Check if she has labeled all of them correctly. Put a tick for the correct label and a cross for the wrong one in the boxes below. Students, Neha has drawn these devices and we have to check the names of these devices. If they are correct, so we have to tick, and if they are wrong, so we have to cross in the boxes. First, what is this? This is a CPU? No, this is a printer. So the first thing is wrong. So put cross in the box. B is, what is this? Yes, these are speakers and she labeled correctly. So we have to tick in the box. C, this is hard disk and she wrote USB. So cross this, and this is monitor. Yes, it is correct. So tick in the monitor box. Write the correct labels here. Students, we have to write the name of these devices. The first thing is printer, second is speaker, third is hard disk, and 4 is monitor. Okay dear, you have to complete these pages. Take care. Allah Hafiz.